Operating system. An operating system is a system software that acts as a bridge between the computer hardware and the user. It helps us interact with the computer easily. Hello everyone. Today we will start with the basics. What exactly is an operating system and why is it important? In the computer system, hardware can only understand machine code in the form of 0 and 1, which doesn't make any sense to the user. We need a system which can act as an intermediary and manage all the processes and resources present in the system, and that is operating system, that can be defined as interface between user and hardware. It is responsible for the execution of all the processes, resources, allocations, CPU management, file management, and many other tasks. Think of it like a manager of a company. The manager doesn't do all the work themselves, but they assign tasks to employees, making sure everything runs smoothly. Similarly, the operating system manages all the computer activities like running programs, handling files, and managing memory. Let's see the structure by diagram. Users means the people who are using the computer. System and application program means compiler, VLC player, MS Office, assembler, database system, NFS, etc. Operating system, a special program which acts an interface between user and hardware. Hardware means CPU, disk, memory, input-output devices, and etc. Let's see how it's work. If an user wants to play a movie or play a game or anything user wants, he will go through the application program. Like if the user wants to play a game, he will go through a game application, or if he wants to play a movie, then he will go through a VLC application. The application programs gives instruction to the operating system that the user want to play a movie or the user want to play a game on hardware. Then the operating system, who controls the whole computer hardware, plays the movie or a game to the user. Like this the system works. Why we need an operating system? Without an operating system, a computer would just be a group of hardware parts. It wouldn't know how to run program like opening a web browser or a game, store files like saving your photos and documents, communicate with devices like printers, keyboards, or monitors. Basically, the operating system makes your computer usable by doing all the hard work in the background. Let's see the popular operating system that we use in our daily lives. Windows, one of the most widely used operating system for personal computers. Mac operating system, developed by Apple, known for its smooth design and interaction with Apple products. Linux, an open source operating system used widely by developers and in servers. Android, an mobile operating system for smartphones developed by Google. iOS, Apple's mobile operating system for iPhones and iPads. The operating system is the backbone of your computer, managing hardware and software so that you can use your machine effectively. This is lecture 1 and very soon I will bring lecture 2 to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.